Hello everyone, have greetings from Serpent Consulting Services Private Limited. Here we have made a plugin which is actually a Shipworks to Odoo connector, as I would show you on the screen. This is a connector. As you know, Odoo is a very good open source ERP, a set of business application suites now, very famous in the whole ERP fraternity. And if we have again another software called Shipworks, that Shipworks, as you see on the screen, it will simplify our shopping, where you can import orders, generate the shipping labels, and keep the tracking number, and you can have your shipping rate calculation as well. Nowadays this software is very famous for so many e-commerce vendors, where they are using with they are being used with Amazon, eBay, and so on. So let us dive into the demonstration of the Shipworks and Odoo connector. When we go in the connector, we should simply make sure that the purpose of the software is specifically to make sure that the tracking number what is generated from the Shipworks will be imported back to the Odoo, and so on. So right now I have a specific shipment from our US address, where we are going to ship two iPads to a specific address. Now I will make sure to mark as to do. I will reserve the stock as well. Once I reserve the stock, it means that I have to go to the Shipworks. On the Shipworks, I already have downloaded some orders. I will connect again the specific let me do it again. Okay, I'll download. Once I download, it will connect to Odoo in the background, and from Odoo it will fetch all the delivery orders which are we have created, and then it will generate a specific, see now it's loading one. Yes, perfect. We should have a seventh one. We have a seventh order here, which is going to load in this next screen over here. Let us see how it comes. It is a package. Now as a rule, once we have everything, yeah, I think let's check the information. Everything is right. Yes, it is showing our US address. Clear. The weight is overloaded because the quantity is 2. As it's a test data, it allows only 50 lbs. Let's generate the label. Once we create the label, it will generate a tracking number, a specific comment of the shipment, and it will give us the record. Oh, it says you don't have sufficient, we don't purchase. No, we don't want to purchase. Let's move on. Let's create in, let's edit the order to make sure. Let's ship the order and let's see how it does. Let's scroll down. Everything is fine. Yes, we have to hide the postage because it's a test account. So once we have test account, we will say no posted. Once it is saved, it will check the rates based on the USPS configuration. Right now we have used the USPS. Now I will generate the create label. Once the label is produced, I will have a tracking number which is almost 15 digits number. Yes. Let us see how it is processing. As you know, Serpent says is very famous in integration with third-party tools, right? I think the ship number is generated, that's why this checked is there. Let's go to the close button. Now I will have my updates done. I will upload the shipment details back to Odoo. So all our eyes to be focused on the Odoo now. Let's go back to Odoo. I will try to refresh the record, and we'll go back. We'll go to set again. Right, we have a tracking number generated. This tracking number is generated by the Shipworks. So normally whenever you are having your e-commerce business and you are using Shipworks, so many Magento websites and so many PrestaShop websites are always using Shipworks as a shipping software. Now with Odoo we have done integration, and hence the integration will come up with a tracking number from Shipworks to Odoo with this tracking number, the ship status code, and the ship comment, whatever is the ship provider you have used. It could be DHL, FedEx, USPS, and so on. If you want to see more about Shipworks, you can check the features about it, and you will be able to find how best is your specific integration with your e-commerce options. Thank you very much. Have a great day.